All right, the project is booting up. BT dubs. Is this music a little too loud? I can't tell. Or is it a good volume? Maybe just like a little bit. Oh shit, my phone battery's like low-key dying. Hold up. Get Wi-Fi anywhere you go. Hold up. Ring, ding, 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 ding. All right, my phone is charging. We're good. We're chilling. Good evening, Tim. Good evening, Logout TV. How's you guys' day been? Why is this taking 100 years to load? The project is like, it's stuck, bro. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's loading. I went to the gym today. The song goes hard, bro. Thank you. I freaking made it. Not to brag, I'm bragging. Ready? Tap tap tap. I went to the gym today. Yeah. That looks pretty. That looks all right. Progress. The Gymothy. Yeah, Gymotainment. Okay, before I do game dev, actually, I'm gonna turn it down on my end because then I can focus more. Before we get to game dev, I do need to do the Scrandle. I haven't done it today. We're gonna do the Scrandle. You guys know Scrandle? You guys FW with Scrandle? Okay. Okay, this is just the voting round, so we just vote. I think this looks better, so I'm gonna go, yeah. Scrandle, yippee. All right, we gotta lock in. Fuck, I already don't... I think, in my experience, if it has peas, it's a debuff. So I'm gonna go with the macaroni and cheese pop. Okay, well, just don't listen to me, I guess. I'm gonna go with the chicken and chips. Okay. I normally, yeah. Veggie dog, chicken tikka wrap. I would say also anything that says it's veggie or vegan usually like has a bit of a debuff. Not like a super debuff, but like a bit of a debuff. Yeah. Which is a shame because like, oh, okay. Well, that's, oh, okay. Also, so there are a couple rules to Scrandle. If there is a burger, that looks bad, it's always the other option. Yeah. If the burger looks good, it's always the burger. So if there's a burger, I'm gonna do, well, yeah, I don't need the pastry instead, but yeah, bar chocolate. Yeah, we're good. Chicken and chips, well, yeah, I mean, come on. That's like, it's... Shrimp, coconut shrimp on truffle oil fries. I low-key hate truffle oil, I can't lie. I'm gonna go with spicy chicken bucket. Yeah. I don't know what it is about truffle oil. Like, it actually is nauseating to me. Curry in a cup or... Okay, no, so this is a good burger. It has to be the burger. It is always... If the burger is good, it's always the burger. If the burger is bad, it's never the burger. Shish kebab roll. Shish kebab... That's... Sikh kebab... I can't read. It's fine. That's a peas debuff right there. Oh, thank you, Ocean of... Oh, the sound effects work! Thank you, Ocean of Glass, for the 30 months. Hamburger. Look at the good burger. How much the good burger can I take your order? True, 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 true. I'm gonna do... Okay, this is a good-looking burger. Never mind. Never mind. You know what? I did better than the average person, so you know, that's fine. It's better. Okay, alright, so let me show you guys the state of the level editor. I made some pretty good progress. It's getting close. Play Bala Trodel. Okay, yeah, actually, sure, I'll play Bala Trodel. You're right. Hamburger. She was on the side of the video game the whole time. You guys know, I think I talked about that a little last stream, but I never finished talking about it. There's a video of Kanye West where he's like, y'all ever seen Wreck-It Ralph? Oh wait, I just typed in Balatro, hold on. She was the glitch. And she was on the side of the video game the whole time. Alright. Yeah, I know how to play Balatro. Good. I think I start with, yeah, Spare Trousers because it's an uncommon, so it like, okay, 6 to uncommon scaling, yes, RNG, no. Okay, so no scaling, no plus molt. No scaling, okay. And it's an uncommon. How much is Midas Mask? Fuck, okay. Well, that, I mean, I got that, so that's fine. I might be washed. Mime. Is Mime is retrigger, right? That could... Mime is $6. It's not? Okay, wow, okay. Well, it's not that either. It doesn't scale. Delay gratification. Well, that's a common. Hack, Pareidolia. It's not a... Okay, it's not other, so it's not Pareidolia. Where's Michelle even seen Naruto's? These are all commons. Space Choker's uncommon, but it doesn't... Space Choker's $5. Burger... Is Burglar $6? No, I don't think... I think Burglar's $5, though. Maybe it is $6. Hiker... No, it's not the Hiker. Maybe it is the Burglar, low-key. Oh, wait, what if it's Turtle Bean? Oh, but it doesn't scale. No. Okay, wait. Erosion scales, reserve parking... Jesus Christ. Is it actually... What was it? What was the one I said it was gonna be? It was, Burglar? Oh, it was Burglar. Oh, I'm stupid. The motherfucking glitch. Are you winning, son? No. No. Ball Turtle is this. She was on the side of the video game the whole time. Actually, let me just pull up that video so you guys are, like, up to speed. This is an important video. Hold on. Y'all ever seen Wreck-It Ralph? Do you know? Holy shit, it's like the recommendation of the stream is on the thing. All right.
Many times I sat with people and said, "Hey, I want to make a store," and they said, "How could you make a store?" Blah blah blah. It's in my code. It's in my code. Have you ever seen Wreck-It Ralph? You remember how that girl in there, the people that was racing, they were, yeah.
She was the glitch.
Yeah. You telling me they don't look at me like the motherfucking glitch? You telling me people don't look at Kanye West like the glitch right now? And she was on the side of the video game the whole time. It's in my code. It's in my code.
She was on the side of the video game the whole time. That's that video. Do the Minecraft ult? I'd probably fail it. I'm not good at Minecraft, low-key. I'm kind of bad on the Lokes. Okay, let's actually... Here, now I can show you guys the level editor. Okay. You can move around like this. For some reason, this doesn't work the same on all... On, like, my laptop. It doesn't scale correctly, which might just be an editor thing. It might not be a thing. You can right-click to set the origin point. So when you spawn in an object, right? Say I want a saw, it'll spawn into the position you set. So if I like want one down here, if I want an onion down here, like, oh my god, it's an onion. It's a freaking onion. If I go to, so these are like the settings. You can select your bird. This, I want to add like a little indicator for when, but like you can, it does change it. It needs a little bit. I need like an indicator that says like, hey, the thing is... Oh, wait, hold on. I gotta do this. Let me just edit a level, because if you boot it up, like, not from the scene, sometimes it fucks up. So, Enclosed Horse is another daily game, by the way. I don't know what Enclosed Horse... Oh, okay, so, this is your timeline. It has, like... Okay. Never seen that before. You could maybe add a drag and drop item for the items in the scene. That would be cool. Actually, would be pretty cool. And you could, like, click it and move it around, I guess. I could, yeah. Right now you just move it around, like, with the WASD keys, and I should probably have, like, something. But anyway, you can duplicate it like this. Like, oh my god, it's duplicate. You can also delete it. And then you can scale it differently. You can rotate it differently as well. And then does this even work? No, these are super fucked right now. They don't actually do anything. They don't work, so don't worry about that. So then you can edit it. You can edit the color channel. So, like, it can be, like, whatever. It could be, like, 100, I guess. I might add, like, a cap to it. This doesn't do anything yet, actually. And then you can change the material on it, and it will, like, update. So now it's red. On a scale of 1 to 100%, how finished is the game so far? Well, technically the game is finished. The base game. Like, you can play it, but, the level editor, I would say... most of it's done for version 1. I would say I need to iron out a few kinks, which I'm going to hope to do today. And if... 70 to 80%, I would say. Because I also have to finish... Right now, so, okay, you can upload it to a server. But then, like, I need to be able to retrieve it from the server as well. I haven't done that yet, but that shouldn't be, like, too hard. I need to look at, like, some documentation shit for that, but that's okay. You can edit the colors as well. You can edit them to, like, a max of 3 for emissiveness. You can't go past 3, and you also can't do, like, -1. It'll just be 0. So now this is green. And then you have your... I don't know why this is not working right now, but then you can, like, change your... It's like, oh, actually, I want this to be a purple laser cube. And then you'd be like, oh my god, it's a purple laser cube now. You can also save it here. It says level 6 successfully because we're goated. And then you can edit, like... For some reason, the Q channel isn't saving, even though it's clearly, like, this is the right Q channel, so I don't know what's going on with that. I'm gonna have to figure that out. And then I also need to edit this to, like, have the laser count actually work. So maybe, like, get that done today as well. As well as maybe some custom script stuff that I've been like cooking up. Cooking that shit up. You can add, like, a sphere if you want. I don't know where that is. Low key. Where's my origin? My origin's, like, over here. Okay, yeah. Oh, and then yeah, if you want to exit without saving, it's like, are you sure? Are you sure? Oh, guys, Invincible Season 4 is out. Tim, you should give me the game for free. I'm your #1 fan. What if you buy the game and I give you no money and I don't give you anything? Thoughts? 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 This could be big. Oh, also, I haven't done anything with this, but, like, I did make a Discord server for Bird. If you guys want to join it... Wait, let me make a rules channel. Rules. 1, follow. Discord. TOS. Oh, shit. And 2, don't be annoying. Thoughts? Don't be annoying. And 3, have fun. Shit. Counter offer, I buy the game and give you money. True! Tim, don't forget to add a tutorial for launch party. So that if you want to join it, that's gonna be like when I do updates and stuff, you can send like there's like a bugs chat and a suggestions chat. So if you find any bugs, especially with the level editor, because I'm sure there's going to be bugs as well. Or if you want to like, hey, I want the level editor to do this, you can do that. I can upload test it. Yeah, you can clone rename. Actually, rename doesn't do anything, low-key, because you have to do it inside the editor. So, whoopsie. And you can play it. Okay, so what we're doing today is we're figuring out why the blue laser doesn't work. Because right now the blue laser, like, just doesn't work, and I have no idea why. So if you go here in this level, let me get, if I edit it and open it, you can see, oh, this did save. Okay, then why did it not save before? Okay, that's stupid. If you go into the timeline here, you can see that there are blue laser cues here, right? They are supposed to be being set. And now, if we go in and we hit play, okay, first of all, that blue cube that hit on like frame 1, which is like, you really shouldn't do anything on frame 1, but like it exists. Okay, so if I go into the console here, it should have added, where are the blue lasers? Okay, blue lasers are here. Why did they get added last? That's a little concerning. Why did the blue lasers get added last? Do they get deleted again? Anyway, there should be cues here. Tim, I'd suggest you add a peasant role because right now I can upload emotes and shit. Wait, really? Oh, shit. Service settings, roles. I'll just make everyone like... where's the everyone role? How do I do that? Guys, I'm washed. Oh, default permissions, here we go. View channels, no. Do not create expressions. And then create invite, change nickname. Post, create public threads, that's fine. Embed links. Maybe not do that. Low key. Add reactions, use external emoji, that should be fine. Message history, send voice messages. Maybe not send voice messages. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter, but just in case. I'll add like a role thing later or something. Guys, only one person doing it. You guys hate me. No, I'm just joking. No, I'm not joking, actually. You guys hate me, for real. Okay. So, if you look in here, if you look in this debug, I know it's a little hard to see. If I do, what was it? Like blue laser. If we scroll up here. Wait, what? Wait a minute. Wait, did it never set the cue? Oh. That's... What? Well, yeah, okay, this is what I want. Okay, so it sets it. Like, it goes, hey guys, I'm here. It says success. Like, it found a thing. Dev 2 a time? True. Can we post Bowser fart gif in the Berg Discord? No, because I just removed embed perms. So, or image perms. I'm kind of like 1984, like George Orwell. Okay, so blue laser adding Q. Like it adds the Q. It adds it. Wait, why does it add it twice though? Oh wait, no, it's because I have two debug logs. If I go into, yeah, it's gonna say I go into the freaking thing. It says it adds it, and then it says like, oh, time Q is added. It's like, yay, we're all happy, we're all fucking happy. And then it doesn't fucking work. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do debug. Blue laser created. And then, can I get like get object ID or something? Isn't there like a this dot? There's got to be like a hash or something, right? Like, or get instance ID. Yeah. Okay, now I want to shoot that. What if I make one and save that GIF to my camera roll? No, but you can't upload images either, so it won't work. I gotcha. Okay, let's see if it's creating it like twice, maybe? That could be the problem? Because it should spawn in the freaking things. I genuinely like don't know what's going on here. I was bashing my head into the wall like yesterday. Okay, so we're gonna say blue laser created. Okay. I mean, what the hell? Like, okay, it's, and then if I go in the thing and I'm like, let's add this queue here. ID. Oh shit, wait, it's, yeah, game object, use count. Okay, so this is how we will, okay, let's see if I'm crazy. Tim, we can type in rules. Oh, you can? Oh, that's funny. Edit channel, permissions, send messages. Okay, yeah, that's like, yeah, okay. Oh yeah, I should probably make it so that you can't add everyone. Bowser fart gift for Santa Core 3 on Twitch. Thanks, that's just what I wanted. Wait, I gotta edit the server settings. Roles, default permissions. Are you Tim? Maybe. Okay, yeah, wait, no one, you should not be able to mention everyone. Okay, there we go. Yay! Hooray! Okay. Okay, so I'm not crazy, right? It's not instantiating it again, so why the hell is it just not working? I'm also gonna add a, just to make sure that the red laser still works, I'm gonna add a note like here and call it, make the channel 1. Okay, save. Okay, so that should, okay. Okay, the audio's a little fucked, but that's okay. Okay, so blue laser. And that should be... Okay. And then this should be 16 of them. Yeah. Okay, so... What should it be? Blue laser... Blue laser. Timed... Okay. Yeah, so this is the correct ID. So if I go in here, and I'm like, count 1, and count 2, but then like, Hawk Tua. Wait, oh! That's exactly what I wanted, what the hell? Dude, autofill is so scary, what the hell? Can you prove you're Tim? What kind of game is Game Dev? This looks like a visual novel. So this is like a platformer on the Lokes. But I'm making a level editor for it. I can play a level in a second. I'm trying to fix the freaking thingamabob. Okay, so I'm gonna play the level. game dev is yeah, yeah, exactly. Okay, so okay. ID. Wait, what was it? What was the thing I called? Okay, so time cues count. Okay, so this is the one at channel 1. Okay, so let's see what happens to this guy. Wait, what? Okay. Are there like phantom lasers being created? What the hell? It only exists in this context, and then it's like right? Wait, so what? Oh shit, I already lost it. Right, like 352, and then it just goes away. These are all 353. What the hell? So why would it do that? That's like evil. That's evil and fucked up on the low key. Why would it be doing that? Okay. So it sets this on... It says add queue. Like this. It adds the queue. It adds it to times queues, but it's like not the same object? What the hell? What the hell? How do I spawn in the blue? Ow! Blue laser. Blue lasers. How do I spawn this shit in? Okay. I also need to do, okay, respawn lasers, set data. Oh, is it because this gets called twice? Is it because this gets called twice? Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute. If, wait, why don't we do if is in editor. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. It's totally that. Check my funny suggestion in the Discord. Guys, I think I just solved it. What's your suggestion? You should add a level edit. You should add a Spaghetti Night cover to the game. I'm not totally opposed to that. I think I may have just solved like everything. I think I may have just cured world hunger. Low key. If I exit, I hit play. Wait, maybe. Ah! I'm good with the sauce. I'm so freaking goated with the sauce. Why did it only spawn for like a second though? Shouldn't it have held for like a... Okay, because I was re-deleting them. That makes sense. Okay. Okay. So I'm trying to think of like the most efficient way to do this shit. Ow. Yeah. I think it's fine if I just do... You really did it. I'm so proud of you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I think I need to go like editor options and then just have like a thingamabob here. Oh. Well, I do have a thing here. Well, then why does it not show up? Oh, it does show up, but it just doesn't do anything yet. User count. What the flip? Oh, Morty. Oh, because it's in the edit panel, right? But also, okay, it's just here. I guess I could do custom stuff. Is it really gonna matter? Probably not. My white ass is thinking. Hold on. My white ass do be thinking. I think I might need to have like a list of strings, maybe. Custom object JSON, public string. Because if I have a string, so basically what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to add like custom scripts to the thing. I have custom script datas here, which is not great, I think, because public class. I'm low-key whipping up some bullshit here, but that's okay. Public string script name, maybe. Is that that should be fine, maybe. Can you prove you have a white ass? Well, I could prove it, but I'm not going to. I mean, you can look at my skin color. It's white-ish. It's white enough. It's the more this part doesn't get tan like ever. So it's like this is much more paler compared to like my face on the Lokes. Public string, public. Okay, so what we need, like public int, maybe if it needs that, custom int, public vector 3. Well, maybe it should be like that, low key. Public vector 3, custom vectors. Maybe is it worth vector 4? Does that like make sense? I guess if it's move stuff, yeah, it does make sense. And then public string, yeah, custom strings. And then from here, what we do, is this a smart thing to do? Maybe. Public. Public. Okay, so like, wait, let's just do this at the top, because why not? Morty. Okay, public void add custom scripts. Okay, so, and then we'll do another one. Actually, this shouldn't even be maybe like a public thing. Oh wait, no, this should be, well, when do I set the object though? Wait, actually, how the fuck do I set the object? Is it like Cosmo writer JSON, object JSONs, JSON utility, convert to JSON. What the hell? Right level, create. What? How do I? What do I even do here? What does he even do? Oh, spawn custom object. In index. Oh, it gets the JSON from here. Oh, I see. Check object for scripts. Okay. Well, wouldn't it be like... Wouldn't I want to do it in... hold on. I'm the thinker. Object JSONs. Wouldn't I just want to do it in the thing, though? Maybe. I don't know why I'm here. I finished my programming coursework. I fear any more code may kill me. Don't worry. This is like... This code is so illegible that it won't, like... It's so bad that it will just... You're safe. Because I also don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Kind of. I know what the goal is. I'm just figuring out the best way to do it. So basically, do I want to do disto? This has an int for the script index. That seems kind of bad. Shouldn't it be a... Because also, how the hell would I know that it's that index? Right? Like... I guess I can have like a string to it or something. Okay, so... But also the O... Shouldn't I just do it in the custom object itself? Like, this seems weird to do it in here, actually. Well, I guess because then it would have to run for each thing, maybe, so it would be better in here. Rather than, like, attaching them to each object. Yeah, I guess it makes sense. Okay. So, how would we do this shit? Custom object, custom object. Okay, so this is a custom object. Yeah. Custom object O, and then like... Custom object JSON, JSON. Okay, so now... We don't need the custom level. We don't need all that shit. We just need JSON. And then we're going to pass it and be like, we're just going to redo this. For int I equals 0, I is greater than, JSON dot, oh wait, I need to change this first. Public, we're going to do string, custom object, custom script JSONs. And by the way, JSON stands for JavaScript something object notation. It's like it's just a way to represent the, what am I checking? Check the suggestions. You should make a level, add him to birds. Mosquitoes, I hate them and I don't like them. True? Is there legitimately, is there any ecosystemological reason why mosquitoes exist at all? Like, do they serve any good purpose for any other life form? Okay, we're not gonna do add custom scripts in here. That makes sense. Because then we can also add it, you can invoke it before, like, no, yeah. It's actually named after my buddy Jason. He's pretty chill. Oh, my bad. I didn't know that. I know you were chill like that. This might be dog shit, but whatever. Length I++. Okay. Yeah. So if this is 0, it's just going to go away immediately. So then I'm going to do a try get catch here, just in case everything gets fucked up. Debug. Uh-oh. And then we'll do... Okay. Custom... It's custom object dot... Custom script JSON. Script JSON equals JSON utility dot from JSON, and then... this. It's like so many layers of just strings. It's not very good, but you know, it's whatever. It's whatevs. Okay, so that's the JSON, and then add script, and then we'll just pass on the JSON value. That way it's like we chillin'. JSON. Okay, and then add script. O script JSON, which means really we should keep this so it's not like JSON dot name script name, and then we gotta like figure out the name and stuff. Oh, my headphones just made a low battery noise. What the flip? Okay, so this is gonna be constant move. Okay. Actually, wait. Oh, I didn't name it that anymore. It's like something else. It's actually something else on the low key. It's like move. It's like some other shit that I have to figure out. Oh yeah, constant position offset. That's what it is. Yeah. Case constant position offset. Okay, so then in that we add the thing. We add it to the thing, and then I have to make the speed that, yeah, constant position object. Okay, so then this will, like, make sense, maybe. Equals, wait. Well, I have to add it, though. Oh, this isn't if the thing already exists. That's right, that's right. That seems kind of dumb. Low-key, low-Kirkuinly. That's fine, whatever. Whatever. Well, maybe that is dumb, though. Because why? It's not going to be added on anything, so, like... I think I just want to do add component. Because there's no way it'll ever, like, check for that. Yeah, there's actually no way. Constant position offset. Oh, what the hell? Constant position offset does speed equals, and then we go, right, we go script JSON dot vector. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, right, because this would always be the custom, this would also always be 0, because that's it. Whatever. I watched a video a while ago about, by the way, Tim, we can make events. Oh, shit. Well, I can fix it later. I'll fix it later. I watched a video a while ago talking about the extinction of mosquitoes, and the only difference would be less mortal diseases. Animals that eat mosquitoes would just switch out to other bugs. So why haven't we? I know, actually, haven't people tried to eliminate mosquitoes? Like, they engineer mosquitoes to, like, not reproduce. Okay, we're not gonna do the rotation thing yet. Oh yes, this will be a good test. Because this is what I want, is bounce offset, so bounce on it. Bounce equals O dot, yeah. And then bounce offset dot add, or no, dot vector, wait, what was it? Bounce 1, right. Equals custom vectors 0, because we're stupid. I guess it should be like, it's whatever. It's whatever. It don't matter. It do not freaking matter. Nobody's gonna see this shit, except for everybody watching, but, like, nobody else is gonna see this shit. Just don't tell anyone. And basically this is, so I'm doing this to scale it up to where I want to have stuff like signs where you can do custom text, which I know is I know that's a can of worms in and of itself, but yeah, basically, like, this will be a really good scalability method for later. Wait, why is it mad at me? Oh, whoopsie. Okay, so that means they're engineering mosquitoes to be like a cure to the diseases they propagate. Oh. I see. I'm gonna save my progress so far. Okay, so I have to get this laser shit to work. Abdul. Blue lasers. Wait, it can't add the shit though, because it gotta be like, well, it'll be, I can get component from it too for like custom things. So they all, I think, need to inherit from something. I think I'm gonna make a new script Low key. Guys, he's making a new script. I love how the camera keeps showing exactly half your face. You are Two-Face. Are you about to terrorize Gotham? Yeah, we don't look. you know the dream face reveal where he's like, wait, no, he's like this. He takes the mask off, and then he does some bad shit. Okay, yeah, laser count. So, how the fuck? How do we set this shit? How do we set this friggin' shit? What am I doing? I could make it public. No. Public void set laser count. Maybe I should be making like I made an event called Go Find the One Piece. Awesome. What the helly? What the heliante? And then if I is less than 0 or less than 1, I equals 1, and then I'm gonna say maybe 32 should be the max here. Oh god, we got a banger. We got a certified banger. Unnecessary assignment. What? Bro, just shut the fuck up with your stupid ass optimization. I can't read that shit. Wait, what is it? Respawn? But then only call this if... Yeah, only do that, because that'll set, like, before... It makes sense. It will make freaking sense. Okay. I just got here. Are you in the mainframe yet? We're working our way into there. We're, like, halfway in the mainframe. Low-key. Okay, so that'll refresh it. But this is, like... Okay, this is the test, though. I think I do need to make a new script here. I should probably, like, be... Well, I made a thing for position, so that's good, I guess. So custom level script, I guess. Yeah. And then this will inherit from mono behavior, and then everything else will inherit from... So this will not have anything, but then this will have, like, public... int... Well, what did I have it? I guess it doesn't need that. I guess it doesn't need to have that. But I'm still gonna do this because this will allow me to get everything that's like custom level script. So that way, if I go to position offset, bruh. Custom did it? Oh, custom. Wait, this should be custom object. What the fuck? Wait, this is not even my music anymore. What the hell? What the hell? Ah! There we go. Whoopsie. It went to the end of the playlist. Ducktails Moon Theme goes hard. I'm sorry. I'm evil. I'm low-key evil. Call this custom object script. This is just so I can get like of type and shit. Type shit I'm on. Oh, actually, maybe I should do public virtual string get script name, because I don't know if that's like that might just be a function. Return that way I can like change it. Is there like a way to, if I'm like position offset dot name, is that like a thing you can do? What does print do? No, it just logs to the console. So I think I do need to do that. Maybe. I don't actually know. Wait, no, I can just do to string. Okay, yeah, that seems like a smart thing to do. Okay, so then it's like, if I wanted it public override return position offset. And then I'm always going to keep this shit at like the very top. So that way it's just better stuff. Wait, maybe I actually shouldn't even do it in the position offset because it's supposed to like inherit. Yeah, this is supposed to inherit, so maybe not. Maybe not in here. Like maybe it should just ah! An error occurred in, oh right, because it's actually this now. It's updating. Okay, yeah. Oh right, okay. So then constant position offset is there, and then where was the bounce one? Bounce offset, yeah. And then I'm like, okay, cool. Okay, so public vector 4 get JSON vectors. So this is like when we're returning it, where we have to like reverse engineer. Vector 4 v equals new vector 4, and then it's like 2 return v, and then it's v dot v0 equals bounce 1. v.1 equals bounce 2. Okay, perfect. Well, maybe should I just have the maybe this is actually not a good idea. I'm Loki, the guy who thinks. That's fine. I can figure it out maybe. Okay, this works. This, I believe this works. Blue lasers work. Okay, so case blue laser. This is what I want to do. Case blue laser. So blue laser equals O dot get component blue laser, not add. Get component blue laser, and then also with blue laser, we need to do this thingamabob. Wait, where'd it go? Where did it go? Where's my Pookie? Where the fuck is my Pookie? Oh, wait. Oh, right, it's blue lasers. Right. Okay. Ah! And this will inherit from custom object script. Okay, perfect. So return bounce object, bounce offset. Or no. Blue lasers. Okay, so then in the writer, blue lasers, it has to be get component. So if, I guess if blue lasers equals null break, we don't want that shit. Blue lasers set laser count, we would go what? Script JSON dot int custom ints 0. And then when we return it, Tim, can you listen to Kevin MacLeod songs? It's pretty good. Tony Repsiclash glands. What's your favorite song? I think mine might be Sneaky Snitch. It's like bum 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 bum. Okay, so then in this, what the Sigma? What did the laser count like even do on the low key? Go find the One Piece is now active. You have a year to find it. Isn't Speed gonna find it? You think they're actually gonna find? How rare? Wouldn't it be borderline impossible to find anything underneath the ocean? Like, isn't that just probably just straight up impossible? Okay. Set color channel. Set color channel. Okay, what does laser count even do again? Okay, it does. I made a thing for laser count. It just doesn't do anything. What does he even do? Have you played Slay the Spire 2? No. Is it good? I've seen a friend play it. Would that be a thing you guys would want to watch? Because I could. I haven't played Slay the Spire 1 either, and I've heard it's really good. Is that a rough idea? It's nigh on impossible. Yeah, like you have to scour a massive ocean. Wait, what? What the hell? Oh, right. Okay, so in this case, I'm still playing Slay the Spire Downfall mod right now, in fact. Ooh. I've heard it's really good. Okay, so blue lasers equals selected object dot get component blue lasers. Oh, wait. Blue lasers. If blue lasers equals null, wait, shit. If blue lasers equals null, return. Okay? And then blue lasers dot set laser count I. Okay. Okay. That's pretty good. Why is this why is it mad at me? Show potential fixes? Whoa, but yeah, but I checked for it. I fucking checked for it. Slay the Spire is the roguelike deck builder. I can put that shit on my radar. I can put that shit on my radar. Okay, so that'll only work if it's a blue laser thing, because that's the only thing that like actually has a laser count. And then when it's going to write the freaking level, this is what we got to do now. We gotta get silly with it. Okay, so custom level writer. So when we're writing the level, what do we have to do? We have to do. Oh, you know what I need to do? Yes, I need to do public virtual custom object dot custom script JSON get script JSON return new. So that'll just be like nothing. Or I guess actually it should be return. No, it should be this. JSON equals new. And then JSON dot script name equals get script name return JSON. Okay, so that'll be like the thingamabob. What do you mean it can be simplified? Oh. That looks weird. I don't care. I'm evil like that. Even as co-op, you can play with your friend. Ooh. Does the original have that too, or is it just the sequel? Or is it both games? Okay, so I don't actually want this. I want public override get script JSON. And then I want JSON dot script name equals get script name. I guess I could just set it in here too instead of like having a script name thing. Well, no, this is probably better. Return JSON, and then in here we want JSON dot vector custom vectors equals new vector for can I do this thing where I go bounce one. Wait, I actually don't know how to do that. I'm a baka. Do I do bounce speed as well? Maybe. I guess I could. 6, 7. It's fine. I'll. I think the original just has multiplayer mods, but the sequel has multiplayer directly part of the game itself. Okay, that's pretty cool. I cannot tell a lie. That is pretty cool. I could play Slay the Spire. Should I play 1 before I play 2, or does it not really matter? Okay, so blue set layer count. Okay, so then when we're going to the level writer, then we say, and then for blue lasers, it's so this is like my bounce offset, right? And then I'm like, okay, bet. That's what we're gonna do for that. So then I go to blue lasers, and I'm like, hey, what's up, gang? And then instead of any of this, we do custom ints equals new int, and then it's just of count 1 because that's all we need. Dot custom ints 0 equals laser count. Right? And then when we set it up, when it gets spawned in... Oh, right. Okay, so for scripts here. Okay. Custom level dot bird. Okay, custom object dot length. Right. Finding an object type. Okay, so custom object JSONs. Wait. Oh, I need to... Okay, wait. Convert to JSON. Okay, actually, I do need to do this in the custom object. Right? Custom... Why did I close it? I think the original... Oh, right, I've already read that. I'm schizophrenic. Okay. Okay, custom object. Okay, and then when we're doing convert to JSON here, okay, so custom object script object scripts equals get components plural. Okay, And then JSON dot custom script JSONs equals new string custom object scripts dot length. So it's the same thing. For int I equals 0. Wait, 0. I is greater than custom object scripts dot length I plus plus. Okay, and then we'll do this. I equals custom object scripts I dot get script JSON. And then that should just, oh wait, what, why is it mad at me? Oh, wait a minute. Because this needs to be JSON utility to JSON. Yes, but of course. And then I'm also gonna do try catch on this just in case it fucks up. Just in case it fucks up, because sometimes it does that. The first game is more complete, I guess, but the second game is pretty much the same and even has unique content, so it would be up to you, I guess. I could flip a coin or something. Low key. Low genuinely. Okay. Custom object scripts, we get. I'm crazy. I'm low key crazy, Dave, when you think about it. Okay, so Blue Lasers does inherit from that. Does inherit from custom object script. It should, like, that makes sense. And then when it adds the thing, right? And then it goes what am I doing? Okay, now we're here. Okay, so that converts it to the thing, right? So it did do that. Yeah, JSON.custom. Okay, so that should work. And it should be nothing for most objects. It should be nothing. Okay, so now in the level writer, when it's like the object stuff, oh, these are queues. We don't want that. We want, okay, spawn custom object. Okay, so now we're in spawn custom object. We go here, check object for scripts, JSON. Okay, JSON custom scripts link. Try, yeah, so we get the JSON, add script. Okay, now add script, Blue Lasers. Okay, that, theoretically this should work. Actually, I don't know if it would work. I don't know. Here, let's see though. Like, if I go here. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a schminute. How do I get... Wait, how do I set the... Hold on. There is one other thing I have to do. Because I have to do laser count. Laser count. Game or options laser count. If options at laser count. Okay. Selected. Wait, no. Blue lasers. Dot. Blue lasers. Because we know it's has to be. Unless if I add like more stuff with the laser count, that's fine. I'll deal with it. If blue lasers does not equal null. Set laser count. Blue. Wait, does it not have a thing? What the helly? Wait, laser count dot text equals, but it's not that. It's public int get laser count. Return laser count. It's probably not the best way to do it, but it's, it's fine. Okay, so dot laser count dot to string. Okay, so let's see if this freaking works. Okay. Well, no, it works immediately because the laser count should say 8 on it. Okay, so we go to lasers, blue, move it over here, edit. Laser count is 8. Okay, so if I do 10, oh. It got mad at me. Why'd it get mad at me? That's interesting. And it's gone now. Why is it gone? What in the hell? Why does it disappear? Wait, that's not what I wanted. Okay, I rotate a little bit just to make it. Okay. 7. What? Okay, why is that doing that? Blue lasers is not equal, no. Okay, well that's working. That is clearly working. But this shit is not. Okay, so set laser count. Set laser count I. So let's see if this is actually getting set. Debug.log. Set laser count to, or I guess like that, plus I. Set laser count. Okay, let's see what it actually is popping up here. Okay, so I go in here. Okay. Don't worry about that null reference. It doesn't, it's not gonna like pop up in real life. It's like fake. Okay. Edit. Set laser. Whoa, oh wait, right. If is an editor, which it should be. Wait a minute. Okay, that's important actually to do. Debug.log respawning yeah. Okay, and then debug.log found plus old lasers dot length plus old blue lasers. So that way we can find blue and then set blue laser count. I guess we're going lowercase mode. Is this making any sense what I'm doing, by the way? Hopefully. It's not that complicated. It's mostly just like numbers and stuff. But I don't know. Blue laser. Okay. Primed and ready. Okay, edit. Let's go to 10. Shit. Set. Found. Okay, well, wait. Now I don't actually need this debug anymore in the update function. We're just going to delete that. In fact, I don't need anything with the ID because, like, it's working now. So I'm just going to delete all those, actually. Low key. Low taper fade. Okay. I did just get rid of the debugs, right? Where's Blue Laser? Blue Lasers. Yeah, it's just... Yeah, that should be fine. I'm not a programmer, so this is gibberish to me. Okay, so basically, what I'm trying to have happen is I have these blue lasers, and I want them to be able... So you can set the amount. Right now, the default is 8. But I want you to be able to, in the editor, edit this object and set this count to what it is, and it'll show up correctly. But it's like low-key not doing that. And I don't know why. It says it created new ones, though. Found 8 old blue... Wait, why does this happen first? Oh, no. That's correct. So it deletes everything. And then it just adds 8 again. For, like, no reason. And also, this goes away for some reason, too, which is weird. So why... What is happening here? Because if it respawns to freaking thing... Respawn lasers. Okay, so respawn lasers. Okay, so... I know why it's not working. I never actually set the count. I never actually set the count anywhere. I just make it refresh. And I never actually told it to change the number. I still don't know why, like, the camera's fucking up, though. That is weird. Oh, because they're not selected. They're not freaking selected objects anymore. That's why. That's why. How do I, like... Respawn lasers. Okay, and should I... At the end, I'm like... Custom object dot select true, right? Because that way... Wait, is selected... Wait. Oh, okay. Public void refresh highlighted and selected. Highlight is highlighted. Select is selected. So that way it'll show up on the camera, because that's why it's not doing that. And then from here, it should be refresh highlighted and selected. So that way when the new objects get spawned, they'll be on the... Because essentially how the camera works is it's... When I select an object, I move it to a different layer, and that camera in the edit panel only renders stuff on that layer. And so when they get respawned, that makes sense. That makes perfect sense. Okay, so now I go in here. I go to the lasers. It's a blue laser now. I'm like, oh, why is it lagging? What the flip? Okay, anyway, I edit 10. Okay, we're not totally there. But it did work. Like, it did work. And then I can make it 1. Which is pretty funny. Oh. It's not fully centered. I don't give a shit. Wait, why is the 0 here? What? Wait, it's a different... Oh, shit. Oh, I need to fix that immediately. Okay, wait, hold up. Ring, ding, 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 ding. Where would I do that in? Wait, I have to fix that immediately. Hold on, that's bugging me. Wait, that's not here. Hold on. It's on the wrong thing. Get Wi-Fi anywhere you go. Hold up. Ring, ding, 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 ding. Indicator.rect transform anchor position. Oh wait, where's V? What? Oh, laser.get editor positions. That's a blue laser. Get editor position. Okay, it's not transform.up, it's transform.right. That's what it is. That's what it freaking is. Load for me, please. Please load for me. Yay! Okay, so we get the blue laser now. Oh, wait, what? Okay, never mind. It's transform.forward. Cool. Okay, so like basically we go here and then we're like blue. Okay, so now, wait, intriguing. Okay, if we're like 1, okay, that's correct now. 1, 2. I wish the lasers showed up though. They don't show up immediately, which is kind of weird. Shouldn't it? Isn't it supposed to get like all meshes? Unless it like doesn't activate the mesh on frame 1. Maybe I just need to add the mesh on frame 1. I think I know why it's doing that. That's pretty cool. And then we can go up to like 32. So that's the max, because that's already, that is a lot. It's pretty funny. It looks pretty cool though. I would wager. How do I? No, other way. And then you can do like, yeah. So that'll be the max of it. That's because that's realistically, you're not gonna want more than that. I don't think, at least. Okay, so now the big question is, yeah, I'm gonna exit. Will it save? Like Good Mythical Morning? Will it? Wait, what? Okay, we have a problem, Houston. We have a problem. What the hell? Oh, I see, I see. If... I don't want to make a whole thing. Equals new string 0. Okay, yeah. We'll just have it be a new thing. Whoopsie! Because right now, what happened was it was... they weren't set to anything, and so it tried to do this for loop, and it was like, hey guys, this does not exist on this object. What do I do? And then it just... When that happens, it stops everything. Which is why I have like a lot of try-catch stuff. So that if one object is for whatever reason, like if something in here is messed up, it won't break the level. This is just like Heartbound coding for real. No, no, don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that shit. Okay, okay, we're good, we're good. Okay, so now the real test is let's say we want to make this 10, right? What's 9 plus 10? 21. Okay, make it. It's like a weird looking shape though. Should I add like a... I don't know. That's fine. Who cares? I'm the Joker. Okay, let's see. We want to add 10. Now I'm going to save. Level 6 successfully. Okay. Does it update? Yes! Ah! It fucking works. And if we go to play it now... Yes! Oh my god, yeah. It's so freaking epic sauce. Ah! Okay, we're getting there. This is good. This is Goog Nuke. Okay, that works. I'm gonna push that immediately. Immediately. And that means it added the... Actually, no, it didn't add the script. But that's okay. Okay, so what next is... What is on the agenda? Actually, why is the timeline doing weird stuff? Hold on. There was a weird thing with the timeline that didn't seem right. Like, if I go here and I edit and I go to the timeline... What? Hello? Okay, where is that even in on Level Editor? That didn't happen before. I don't know why... Okay, wait. Is it offset? Like, this shit is wrong? Debug.log. B. This is like custom music math shit. Custom math shit I'm on. Beat. What? Okay, well, no, that's fine. Huh? What the fuck? What? Oh my god. It's because this is an int and not a float. It's because this is an int and not a float. That has to be it. I'll explain in a second if that's what was wrong. Throw is dumbfounded. I think I know why it's doing that. It's because I changed it. So in Unity, there is a audio source dot time. Oh, that's not right. Okay, there we go. Okay. Ooh, that's looking mighty nice. Okay, basically there is an audio source dot time function, which is this. This is a like if I'm like music is just the name of the audio source I call it, music.time. So that returns, well, it's mad at me, but that returns the time of the clip that's playing, like the actual elapsed seconds. But it's not as accurate, I learned, as doing this. This is like the int of the samples that have stepped forward in time, and then you divide it by the clip frequency, and you get a more accurate position, which is really, which Bird, like the post version doesn't use that, and I didn't know that. So this is gonna make rotation and stuff and some moving things just work better, essentially. But both of these are integers, which means if you divide them, it's gonna only update every second, because it'll be like 0, it's gonna go from 0 to 1. So that's why it was super choppy, because it was only updating every second, even though it was calculating. So I had to cast be like, hey, this one please be a float. So you'll divide like float instead of integer. You're welcome for that educational freaking thing. Okay, what do I do now? I know what that was. I guess I could work on camera rotation. I could work on camera rotation. That might be good. Because I need to change it to like, hold on. If I go to the timeline, and I'm like, timeline panel. Okay, no, it's not that. I lied. Never mind. Wait. Well, what the helly? It's a Q edit. Wait, what? Oh, right, this is the type. Oh, I'm stupid. Right. So this is... I should probably have a thing that's like... stereo. I do think it's stereo. Pretty sure. This is, actually, let me just look at what it is. Let me just look at this shit real quick. Edit, timeline. Stereo, red laser, purple laser, blue laser, yellow, and then it's camera speed, camera rotation. Okay, so it's stereo, and then it goes red, purple, blue, yellow, red, purple, blue, yellow, red, purple. I'm like Simon Says. Red. Purple. Blue. Yellow. And then this is camera speed. And so this will be camera rotation. Camera rotation. Low key. Okay, has channel equals false. I don't want vector text. I want, yeah, length text. Length text equals degrees. Okay, and then in the note thingamabob here, what kind of game is he making? Okay, so I can just play it. Should I just take a break and play a level from Bird? Maybe I should just do that. Here, I'll just play a level real quick. What's a good opener? 4-1 is pretty funny. Maybe 2-1. 2-1's a good, like... Yes, please. All right. Here we go. Yeah, 2-1's a pretty... I guess, I mean... So, basically, it's a very... This measure thing is a debug thing I just have. It is like a rhythm platformer thingamabob, and you can't hit these or you, like... You take damage. And then your lives are on the top left. I don't really need to be... I can show you what happens when you take damage. It's like, it's that, and you lose a life. And right now I am working on, I think it's an anime visual novel. Yeah, true. So this is like the blue laser that we just, like, freaking did for the stuff that's gonna work in custom levels now, which is pretty epic. Oh, I just noticed the stereo things on the side are not supposed to be there. Well, whoopsie. I need to delete that. Oops, whoopsie. Ow. So at some point I want, like, oh shit. I want all of this to be possible in the level editor. I don't think it'll be all possible in version 1, but part of it will be. This is a dope-ass anime visual novel. Yeah, it's very interactive. It's a very interactive visual novel. And you can stand on this. You, like, kind of slide off, though. I wonder if I'm gonna get hit. No, I'm not. I'm good. Eventually you do slide off. It's got a slippery material on it. It's like level complete. Oh my god! Oh my freaking bingo. So yeah, that's what we're working on, and I'm working on a custom level editor for it, and I already forgot what I was doing. So I gotta think about this. What was I doing? Low key, what was I doing? What is the last script was open? Oh, right. So I go to option. Wait, timeline. Oh shit. Right, and it doesn't work when you open it from that scene. That's fine. If I were to change this to camera rotation. Okay, good. So it's like, okay, and then yeah, right. Then I need to add the degrees. So didn't mean to throw you off. No, that's good. I needed a break. Do you main Adam Warlock in Marvel Rivals? You simply have the look. I haven't played Rivals in a few months, but when I played a lot, I mained The Thing, which is a very... I mean, he's fun, but also kind of miserable at the same time, because he got countered for so long. Before that, I played Strange. I did play Support Deadpool a lot. Like, I really like Support Deadpool, but I have not played Rivals in a hot minute. Maybe one day. I'm a big Overwatch player, I can't lie. I prefer first person. Rivals is pretty fun. Maybe one day. What am I doing? What the flip am I doing though? Like, oh, I remember. I think it's Note. Is that the script? Play Slay the Spire 1 to 2. I will at some point. Dude gives you a fist bump. I also made The Thing. Oh, dude, The Thing is so... It's clobber time! I love The Thing. He's so funny. He just like punches and then... Especially with the Invisible Woman... Wait, is that still in the game actually? Like the Fantastic Four team-ups? I actually don't know. I feel like that'd be a weird one to rotate out. I like Marvel, just been addicted to Mugenics, it's so fun. I don't know what the gameplay of Mugenics is, really. I would like... I'd be willing to try it out. I think this might be a controversial take. I don't love the art style. Like that sort of Binding of Isaac art style. I don't know what it is. It's just like... It doesn't click for me, but I also get... Like, I get it, but at the same time, it just doesn't click. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. It's a roguelike tactics game. I mean, I do like roguelikes. Oh, I gotta work on the baseball roguelike at some point. For me, I love the art style. Yeah, see, I recognize, like, I know it's... I can appreciate that it's good. It's just, like, it's not my exact taste, which is fine. It's like, I'm glad... It's funny. It's a funny concept. I'm glad it's glad it's a game that exists. If that makes sense. Loki, what am I doing? What the flip am I doing? Okay. What the hell is this? Okay, yeah, camera rotation. Oh, that's color. Okay, yeah. Okay, here we go. Also, I need to figure out why sometimes this only does the default length. Wait, hold on. If length is less than min length, would do... What the hell? Set length, vector dot... Wait. Wait. I'm low-key the guy who waits. Hold on. Shouldn't it be... Length, like, shouldn't even exist, though. Yeah, it should be vector.x. Low-key, because it's just the first value of this. Okay. Yeah. You breed cats and send them to die with the potential they become hydrogen bombs. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Cannot lie. Vector 4v equals... Wait, what? What is this shit? This is old. This is old slop. What am I saying? Old slop? Okay. So then, I have to sneeze. No, I'm joking, actually. Okay, so... Oh, wait a minute. It can't be length. It's gotta be vector.y. Your old slop 6'7". Okay. Okay. Fuck. Right, because I can't do that. Okay, I'm Loki the Thinker. When you think about it, I'm Loki the Thinker. Min Y. Old slop 6'7". 6'7". Wait. No. I have it. Okay, wait, I got it. All right. Float. I have it. Display length equals 0. Okay? And then display length equals vector dot x. Okay, we're cooking. We're cooking with gas. Then, if it's camera rotation, we want display length equals 1. And the display length equals 1. So that way they're always 1. So then, when we come to here, we go display length, x spacing, y spacing. Okay, perfect. And then, the minimum needs to be minus 360. The default will be 0. And the maximum will be 360. And it'll, like, rotate-ish immediately. And then as for this... Oh god, it's playing Spaghetti Night. We are not listening to that right now. Nope, no. We're going... Nope. Okay. Sorry. Bro's out here pondering. Is it gonna fuck up with the thingamabob, though? What the flip? Minus 1,000, I guess. Farts. Okay. Good chat message there. That might be stupid. I don't know. Let's find out. Wait, isn't it gonna get mad at me? I feel like there's something I'm thinking I'm missing here. No, okay, it's not mad at me. Yay, it's not mad at me! Hooray! Okay. So if I hit exit, I go here, edit. Okay, timeline. Okay, first of all. Okay, that works. Okay. Oh, that's a little. Okay. Good. Okay, that works. Okay, now in the middle of this, let's say we want to add a note. I don't know why you're all the way over there, but see, at 16, we want to have a camera rotation. The degrees will rotate to like 5 degrees. What? Oh, sure. Okay, I'll have to fix that as well. Right, because I need to return display length. Yeah. Because... Is that wrong. IDK? I don't freaking know. Ah. Okay. Shit. Okay, let me make sure. Okay, yeah, and then this way. Wait, what? Hello? Hello, governor? That works. Why does this one not work? What the hell? What kind of awesome is this? Bro? Potato chip? Oh. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Get display length, and then in the timeline, length dot text. Yeah. That's correct. But then display length. Okay, yes, that should fix it. Okay, so then we go here. Holy moly. Okay, this is all looking... Yes, okay. So now, when I go to the level writer, and then I do the cues. Seeing cues. Okay, this is actually going to be a vector 2. Yeah. Add new. JSON.startPosition, JSON.vector.x. Okay. That's all I need for that. Because the camera shit, like, yeah. Set move speeds. Okay, so then... Let me actually go to the camera move thing real quick. What the flip? Guys, what the flip? Okay, camera move. Rotations, right? These are just vector 2s. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. So... Is there a camera move? Can I just set rotations? Okay, no, I can't. That's fine. So then set move speed. Okay, public void set. This is so much easier than move speeds because all I need to do is list vector 2 v rotations equals v, and that's literally all I need to do. Wait, what? Is this a fucking... Fine. See what I care. I don't even care. Why would this be +1? What are you... Why the fuck would it be that? Ah! Oops. Equals I. Yeah. Okay. And then in custom level writer, say camera move. This is the to-do camera move dot set rotations camera rotation cubes. Yeah, there we go. Okay. This game is going to be so awesome sauce. Thank you. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to see what people like make out of it. I feel like they're gonna go a little nutty. I want to give people enough on the version 1 and then update it accordingly. So I'll add, for instance, like the shoe bots at level 2-2. Eventually, I want people to be able to do that, but like, it's a WIP, work in progress. Okay, now if I play this, does everything break? Oh, it worked! Holy shit, it worked! There's an error, but it worked. It's mad at me. What the fuck? GLU. Okay, well, it just worked. Like, that's awesome. That's so freaking awesome sauce. Like, it rotated correctly. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. GG. Yeah. Ugh. Alright, you know what? I think I've been streaming for almost 2 hours, which means I've been working for almost 2 hours, which means I think that is a good stopping point for now, because it's also almost 11. So I'm gonna probably end the stream, but we're getting there. We're getting close. We're getting close. So yeah, I will see you guys. I will see you guys next time. I don't know when I'm gonna stream, but I'll probably, like, I guess I actually could stream tomorrow.